Planning a getaway? Explore these top-rated day trips near Colorado Springs, featuring breathtaking views, cultural landmarks, and outdoor adventures for all. Embark on an exhilarating Segway tour through the scenic Cheyenne Canyon and Broadmoor area, providing these breathtaking views of iconic landmarks such as the Broadmoor Resort and South Cheyenne Canyon Park. Upon an arrival, meet your knowledgeable guide at the picturesque South Cheyenne Canyon picnic grounds for a brief introduction and instruction session before beginning the journey. The tour commences with a smooth ride past notable sites, starting with a visit to the renowned Star Camp sculptures. Marvel at these unique and awe-inspiring artworks, perfect for capturing memorable moments on social media platforms. Following this, proceed to the Penrose House for a glimpse into the area's rich history and architectural heritage. Next, admire the historic mansions, schools, and clubs situated in close proximity to the world-renowned Broadmoor Resort, offering panoramic vistas of the surrounding landscape. As the tour progresses, prepare for a dynamic ride along Pine Grove Road, where you'll encounter a diverse array of homes, showcasing the eclectic charm of the area. This unforgettable experience promises to provide guests with a vivid snapshot of the local culture and architecture, while ensuring they capture every moment with their smartphones or cameras. In conclusion, this guided Segway tour offers a thrilling adventure through the heart of Cheyenne Canyon, accompanied by expert guidance and stunning visuals. Whether you're seeking a unique perspective or simply looking to create captivating memories, this tour guarantees an unforgettable experience that you won't soon forget. Experience the pinnacle of culinary exploration in downtown Colorado Springs with our renowned walking tour. This exclusive tour, designed for both locals and tourists alike, promises an unparalleled dining and dash adventure over 3 hours. With its distinctive surprise itinerary, participants will sample the city's thriving culinary scene, visiting up to 5 diverse establishments, including cozy eateries and hidden gem artisanal food shop. Each bite is meticulously crafted to offer a comprehensive taste experience, ensuring satisfaction beyond mere indulgence. The tour transcends simple gastronomy. It serves as a profound gateway into the area's rich historical and cultural tapestry. Your knowledgeable guides will narrate tales of Pikes Peak's significance, recount the intriguing history of the Antlers Hotel, and unveil the remarkable impact of the Gold Rush era on the region's development. These insights enrich your appreciation of the site's heritage, making each visit more meaningful than the last. Beyond tantalizing flavors, the tour invites participants to step back into the past through immersive storytelling. From the bustling streets of downtown to the historic landmarks, every corner tells a story. The guide's expertise ensures that each moment of the tour is deeply engaging, leaving no part of the experience unexplored. For those seeking to enhance their culinary journey, the tour includes the option to upgrade tickets with 3 predetermined beverage pairings. This choice allows patrons to deepen their connection with Colorado's brewing community, immersing themselves in a selection of carefully curated drinks that complement their meal perfectly. In summary, whether you're a connoisseur of local cuisine, eager to learn about the area's rich past, or simply curious about what makes downtown Colorado Springs unique, this tour delivers a memorable experience that combines authentic flavors, compelling narratives, and the charm of exploring a bustling urban center. Join us now for an unforgettable exploration of Colorado Springs' culinary delight. Experience an exhilarating aerial adventure soaring through the majestic Rocky Mountain Front Range during the golden hours of dawn. Embark on a serene and panoramic flight over the Spanish peaks, ascending towards Long's Peak, where you'll marvel at the diverse wildlife including deer and antelope. Each hour-long flight offers a captivating view stretching for 100 miles in every direction, providing an unparalleled sense of freedom and wonder. Guided by the whimsical currents of the sky and the skilled expertise of your pilot, this journey into the heavens promises to transport you to a realm where nature's beauty and tranquility blend harmoniously. As you soar above the landscape, let yourself be captivated by the stunning vistas unfolding before you. Upon landing, indulge in a luxurious post-flight celebration featuring a sumptuous continental breakfast, accompanied by a champagne toast and refreshing glasses of orange juice served in elegant stemware. Dress appropriately for the occasion, donning layered clothing, and opting for closed-toe footwear. Your tour package includes a unique flight certificate awarded upon completion, ensuring that every participant receives their very own certification of achievement. Join us for an unforgettable journey across the vast expanse of Colorado, where the spirit of exploration and appreciation for nature intertwine seamlessly. Experience firsthand why we consider ourselves among the finest operators in the region, offering the pinnacle of hot air ballooning experiences. Experience an enchanting narrative exploration through various locations, each housing unique and intriguing ghostly occurrences. Begin at the Antlers Hotel, where tales of Judge Baldwin and other spectral entities await your attention. Proceed to the Rabbit Hole Restaurant, once serving as the city's mortuary in the early 20th century. Marvel at the history-laden Old Depot, Cheyenne Building, and numerous other locales teeming with paranormal phenomena. As you walk along this haunting trail, listen to narratives of the clandestine morgues and crematoriums that arose during the devastating Spanish flu pandemic of 1980. These eerie establishments left behind a legacy of restless spirits in the urban underworld. Delve into the past by exploring the former UWCA and uncover the tragic events that unfolded there. Follow these footsteps through the labyrinthine underground passages leading to the Old City Auditorium. Your journey concludes at the Colorado Mining Exchange and Peak Theater, followed by a visit to the Old Depot and Denver-Rio Grande Railroad. Here, legend has it that a notorious serial killer perpetrated his first double homicide. As you traverse these historic sites, let your imagination soar with tales of mystery, macabre, and supernatural encounters that weave together to create a captivating tapestry of paranormal lore. Olympic and Paralympic Museum, located at the heart of Colorado Springs, offers visitors an immersive exploration of the rich history and achievements of U.S. Olympic and Paralympic athletes and their inspiring stories. Spanning 60,000 square feet, the museum provides an unparalleled opportunity to delve into the artifacts, media, and technological advancements that have shaped these remarkable journeys. Admire the diverse collection of exhibits, featuring both traditional and cutting-edge displays that showcase the dedication, resilience, and unwavering spirit of the athletes. Engage with multimedia presentations and interactive installations that bring the stories of Team USA to life, highlighting the core values of the Olympic and Paralympic movements: friendship, respect, excellence, determination, equality, inspiration, and courage. Upon entering the museum, ascend to the upper level via an elevator, where you'll find yourself surrounded by a series of winding galleries that create a harmonious progression of experiences. Each gallery invites visitors to explore the fascinating narratives of individual athletes, fostering a deeper connection with the human spirit, embodied by those who have achieved greatness on the global stage. Designed with accessibility in mind, The museum features inclusive designs and advanced assistive technologies such as open captions, audio descriptions, and specialized listening devices. Universal keypads, RFID-triggered customization options, and ramps facilitate easy access for all guests, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the museum's engaging exhibitions and educational programs. Throughout the journey, hear first-hand accounts from Team USA athletes, who worked closely with curators during the creation of the museum, contributing their insights and perspectives to create a truly authentic and inclusive experience. This collaborative approach ensures that every visitor leaves with a profound understanding of the enduring legacy of American sportsmanship and the indomitable spirit of the athletes who represent our nation with pride. A severe, exhilarating Jeep excursion through the breathtaking landscapes of Colorado, leaving visitors awestruck by the awe-inspiring views of the majestic mountains, picturesque Colorado Springs, and other iconic destinations. Embark on a historic sightseeing journey through the rugged terrain of the Pikes Peak region, guided by knowledgeable cowboys who narrate the scenic beauty and significant historical landmarks of Colorado Springs. Highlights of this unforgettable adventure include: North Cheyenne Canyon, explore the natural wonderland of this geologically fascinating area. Helen Hunt Falls, witness the stunning waterfall's cascading beauty. Shortline Railroad and tunnels, venture into the historic underground tunnels for a unique perspective on the region's history. Old Colorado City, discover the charming town filled with rich cultural heritage. Manitou Springs, enjoy the serene atmosphere and vibrant culture of this quaint spa town. Garden of the Gods, marvel at the colorful cliffs and formations created over millions of years. In the comfort of your open-air Jeep, capture every moment from the abundance of photo opportunities. This tour offers approximately 70% paved roads and 30% unpaved trails, making it suitable for various driving conditions. Dress warmly, wear sturdy footwear, and bring layered clothing, as temperatures can vary significantly throughout the day. Additionally, don't forget to replenish your energy with bottled water, sodas, light snacks, and wool blankets. Our expertly trained cowboy guides provide unparalleled experiences, ensuring a memorable journey through the heart of Colorado. Embark upon an exhilarating Segway tour through the breathtaking Garden of the Gods, immersing oneself in the natural splendor of Colorado. As you traverse this verdant landscape, marvel at iconic landmarks like Kissing Camels, Praying Hands, and Park Overlook. Delve into the rich history of the Old West, while enjoying panoramic vistas that reveal a myriad of flora and fauna. Your experienced guide will lead you on a journey through the park, pointing out rare plant species, nesting eagles, and the intricate geological formations that conceal captivating images. Take time for short stops along the route, but remain steadfastly on your segmented vehicle during the entire tour. Discover the cultural heritage of the Garden of the Gods and listen to intriguing anecdotes from the Old West era. To fully enjoy your experience, wear layers suitable for various weather conditions and invest in comfortable footwear. Your tour package includes comprehensive safety training in the Cone Zone and offers top-tier guidance across the western United States. Experience a delightful culinary journey through downtown Colorado Springs during our signature cocktail tour. Enjoy meticulously crafted cocktails paired with exquisite appetizers served at 4 distinct venues across the city's heart. Indulge in a gastronomic adventure featuring esteemed cuisine from acclaimed chef Brother Luck, enhancing your visit with a gourmet twist. Step into the enchanting world of our exclusive speakeasy, a hidden gem steeped in the rich heritage of the Wild West Prohibition. era. This intimate setting offers an immersive experience that captures the essence of old-world charm and intrigue. Join us for an unforgettable fusion of flavors, tales, and ambience that will create lasting memories. Whether you're a cocktail aficionado or drawn to the city's storied past, our tour promises an extraordinary evening filled with delight and discovery.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.